Hello everyone, my name is James Atkins. I'm the general manager here at our Palm Harbor Supercenter located in Killeen, Texas. Today, I wanted to personally invite you out to our huge open house we're having this Saturday, October 12th. This open house is designed to show appreciation to our military and first responders. Not only that, we're also having a huge Christmas and October sale. And the way that benefits all of our customers is that not only are you going to save thousands of dollars on your new home, we have homes discounted $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, and even $20,000 right now. You're also going to get a free gift package with your new home worth up to $2,500. And in that gift package, you're going to get a big screen TV, you're going to get an outdoor grill, a Dyson vacuum cleaner, and so much more. So come on down and see us this Saturday, October 12th at 3700 East Central Texas Expressway in Killeen, Texas. Or you can go to our website and look at some of our homes before you come visit with us at www.killeen.palmharbor.com. Or you can give us a call at 254-690-1232 to set up your appointment on Saturday as well. Come on down, bring the family. We're going to have fun, food, and we're going to have a lot of giveaways. It's going to be a fun time. We're going to be having a raffle for a free big screen TV that you'll be entered into just by coming in and looking at our homes, and you do not have to be present to win that TV. But come on down and see us at 3700 East Central Texas Expressway in Killeen, Texas. Come visit Palm Harbor, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.